Hello, trading world. Happy New Year to you and good afternoon. I have some exciting examples, exciting round number examples. I want to talk about, I want to cite the examples right now with you, hoping that you'll continue to learn and grow in your trading careers. There's a lot of politics which might affect our trading setups, so I would urge everyone to trade carefully. So let me share my screen here. I have a few examples. The first one is in USD CAD. I want everyone to realize how powerful these round numbers are. I want this chart to be clean. How do I? Yes, yeah. So let us start. When the week started, when this week started, it was here. This is where the week started in USD CAD. I hope you see. Yeah, this is where the week started. And just below, because there's this consolidation box here. I hope you see this. That there's consolidation, price is dancing around this area. The market makers are accumulating orders. And just below the box, you see this zone here. This is a round number, 1.2950 is a round number. So since this round number is below this box, it is clear to me that price has rejected this zone here. Because look at this, guys. Let me show you. Look at this. This is rejection. You see, this is rejection. And then we had another rejection here. So that was the time. This happened right during London because it was 10 and the 6th. This is Friday, and then we have Monday the 6th. At 10 in the morning, there was this strong rejection which one would have taken. We might have bought here, risking how many pips? Put your stop loss below the round number line, and then your take profit would have been at this area here. Or if you are convinced that about round numbers, you might have put it even higher than that, even here. It's up to you. The target is within your decision making, how you target for profit. So this is the first example. And specifically what I want us to look at is a round number rejection or break and test. So in this case we have round number rejection. And then because this was Monday, this was 6th here, Monday here, 6th, and then on Tuesday, of course, as we expect, things begin to pick up on Tuesday. On Tuesday we had this, so this is where we might have taken a buy, and then on Wednesday, so on Tuesday we broke into 1.3 territory here. Look at this line, guys. This is 1.3. So price. Let me show you guys. So price came up, broke 1.3 line, and then when you wake up, okay, this is pure break and retest because let us assume this is 1.3 here, and then what price did was going through the round line, and then it came back to retest it. So how might you have taken this? Let me show you guys. So here, when you wake up on the 8th of January, at this is my time is GMT +3, so this was 9 o'clock in the morning. I would wake up at around this time. I mean, this is when I would start to look at the charts, and immediately I would notice that price had broken this round number here. Price has broken this round number. The moving average is below price, which means we are temporarily bullish. And then what I would like to, I would see now, what I would see, because this is a, if you look at this close, you realize that price, this is higher high, higher low than this area here. And and this is an order block. For those of you who have done the ICT course, this is an order block. So since price has broken 1.3 and then it had come back, to me this would be a retest. It would be a retest because we should treat this as zone. This all of this area is one sort of 1.3 zone. So price is broken and retested. I would buy here right after close of this candle. This was 9, a 9 o'clock candle which closed at 10 o'clock GMT plus 3. Okay, if you are doubting this, then you would buy this one. This is a healthy bullish candlestick, and what this candle indicates is that even though it is below the 1.3 line, but it is a strong candle. It is a strong candle, which means there is a high probability that this candle would break 1.3 line, and then price will break 1.3 line based on what you see in this candle. So you would buy here, put a stop loss just below here, and then ride it up to 1.3050 or even up to 1.3100. The profit target is your own business. You can use support and resistance line, because here is the blue line that you see here is a strong resistance, and right at that area you have 1.31, which means this is the area is a strong resistance. So you might have bought here and put your take profit here at 1.31, because at the same place there is this blue line which is a strong resistance. So that is number 2. Another one is here, right here. You wake up again, wake up here. This is 9 o'clock in the morning. This candle closed at 10, and then this candle closed at 11 o'clock GMT plus 3 is my time. Why would this be a good entry? It would be a good entry because this candle is a strong bullish candle. It is a strong bullish 1 hour candle, which indicates to me that price is going to break this area. This candle is an indication that price is going to break this area. Look at how bullish it was. So you might have taken this, or you might have also, because normally when price is so strong like this, there must be a pullback. So you might have waited until when price came to pull back here. This was during New York, after this candle, or you might have put a pending order at some, how many pips below this bullish candle? Well, it's up to you really, but this was also a good entry based on the fact that, as I've said, this is a bullish, a strongly bullish candle. There's a high chance that it will break this 1.3050 area and will continue to move upwards. And also the moving average is on our side, and the dollar index was also supporting this trade. Okay. Price arrives at 1.3. We see an interesting scenario again. Price arrives at 1.31 here, and immediately price comes back strongly. This to me is pure. This is rejection. Let me add up the message. Round number rejection. Round number zone rejection. And guys, instead, in case you don't know how to have a message associated with this, whether it's any object that you put on a chart, if you don't know how to do that, let me show you quickly. For example, I draw this line here. Just a moment. I want to show you something which you might find useful if you continue to trade. Just a moment. Let me be practical. Okay. I draw this line here, and then I want to have some words associated with this, for example, zone rejection or anything. I just right click on the chart, come here on properties, you click there, and then you click here. Look at this, show object descriptions. You click that, and then you say, okay, that's all. That is all. Okay, so this is round number rejection. What this is telling me is that, and then look at this, guys. This is a strong resistance. This is a strong resistance area. Look at this. You have all this mass of price action here. This is strong resistance. So what do we expect to happen? Price has hit this area, and then we saw this strong round number rejection. What is going to happen is that I think a price might come to up to here, and then hit this area and then push down. That is what might happen. It's not 100% possible or likely to happen, but well, round number rejection is powerful, guys. So this is round number rejection. I hope you understand. So this is round number rejection, and this is round number break and retest. And this is round number break and retest. And this is, guess what? Can you tell me what this is, guys? This is round number rejection. This is round number rejection, guys. Okay, let me go to another pair. Let me go to GBPUSD. Very interesting as well, guys. Very interesting. Okay, let us start from Monday. On Monday, when the this is Monday. When the market opens, you have clear 1.350 rejection because prices come down, and it is closed above the round number. So this is round number rejection, guys. Number rejection. Okay, this is round number rejection. You might have bought after close of this candle here. Close of this candle up to where this was a strong resistance. Look at this. If you have done ICT cost, there are two reasons for price to reject this area. One, not actually more than two, three reasons. One, this area has a round number. Two, price, there was this area. This was stop hunting. This was stop hunting. So we can expect them to push up into this area, keep these people who sold here waiting, and then come back down. And that has happened. See, that is number two. Second reason. Three, there's this order block here. Okay. Yeah, there's this order block. So you have this area here. You might have bought after close of this candle on Monday and put your take profit at 1.32. That would give you how many pips, guys? 150. No, 97 pips. Not bad at all. And what do we have here, guys? This is pure, clear round number rejection, which happened during London. Because this is 10 o'clock GMT plus 3. That's my time. During London, this is when this rejection happened. So how might you have entered this? You might have sold right after closure of this candle here. Where do you take profit? Since they have traded stops in this area here, since they have traded stops in this area here, they traded stops in this area here, we can expect them to come down and trade stops in this area, and then probably they will push back up. Okay, guys. Yeah. So this was another rejection, guys. This was another round number rejection. Yes. Hey guys, I want to love this really. You can call me Mr. Round Numbers. And then what do you have? Very interesting, guys. Simple stuff. This is during London. You have what? This is 9 o'clock GMT plus 3. You wake up with 8. I wake up with 8. Look at my charts at 8. Right 8. And then just after I see this round number just above the price, and I see clear a downtrend. This was what? This is round number break and test, guys. This is round number break in the test because price. This is what price did. Let me show you guys. This is what price did. So this is, I assume this is 1.3150 here. This is what price did, guys. This is what price has done. It came down, and then during London they pushed up. Why do you know exactly that we are going down? So the move up was a fake, and then so this is where I would say. So this was round number break, broken, and then retested. Okay, I hope that is clear. And then what do you have, guys? Here, what do you have here? Another round number break and retest here because price came down. Although the retracements are not, the depth of retracements is decreasing because we are approaching this area of support. This was clear round number break and retest because price came down. Let me show you. They pushed down. This is 1.3100, and then they pushed up. So this is retest. You would have sold here, quite clear. And then what is about to happen is, so this was, and then and what is this, guys? Can you tell me what this is? This is pure round number rejection. This is round number rejection because prices come down strongly and then left not as strongly as how it fell down, but this is rejection. So you might have bought here, and probably we don't know what is going to happen. Probably it's going to be a break. I mean, a break and retest because this is 1.315. So this is 1.3050 here in this area. Let me change this. Good. See, this is pure round number rejection here. This is round number rejection. And then see, price pushed up into this area here. Into this area. This is a 3050 area. 3050 area. This is what, guys? This is break and test. Quite clear. Quite clear. Because price is pushed up. They've pushed it up. Pushed it up. And then they've come down to retest before continuing to move up. Well, it's a choppy, but well, let us wait. And another reason for me to expect a move, a push up, is because they have cleared stops here. Let me show you. They have cleared stops that were in this area here. So that's why I'm positive that they will push up here. So they will come here. This is 1.31. Remember, probably they will come up because in the bigger picture, GBP USD is bullish, so probably they will push up, come here, break this round number, and retest it. Okay, and then probably they come here to 1.350, break it, test it. I don't know what will happen here because stops are accumulated in this area. So that is all about GBP USD. Let me go to the last pair in the name of Euro USD here, guys. What do you see? This was Monday here. This was Monday. This was Monday. When you wake up in the morning at 8, round number rejection. guys. This is rejection. So it's a sure buy. And another reason to buy would be this stop hunt here. Let me show you this stop hunt price. On Friday, they cleared this area. So they had no reason to come down before clearing people who were had trades in this area. Okay, so this is rejection. So you would have bought here. Yeah, let me show you. This is 9 o'clock. You buy here. Put a stop loss here. Take profit at 1.2, 1.120. Why? Because this is a void. There's this area which there was no active trading in this area. So expect them to push and come up to clear this area here. And that's what they did. Okay, guys. So that was Monday. You wake up on Tuesday. Tuesday, you come across a very interesting scenario. Pure, clear, round number rejection. Yeah. Round number rejection. That is what you see in the chart. In the morning, wake up. If you wake up at 7 or to 8 like me, at 8, open the chart, this is what you see. At 8, see? Prices rejected 1.1200. What do we expect? We want prices in a clear downtrend. So we expect them to push down. Expect them to push down. So we'd have sold here. Yeah. Sell here, put your stop loss here. Take profit is where, guys? They have cleared this area here. Okay, this was a, I would say this was a stop hunt. The whole of this area, to me, is a massive stop hunt. This, because they pushed up to clear this area. But the stop hunt will be confirmed after they close below this area here. So you sell here, you put your take profit at 1.1150 or even below that. Okay. And then to confirm a sell, you have this round number, a break and retest, because in this case, this is what price has done. This it one if they break down, came back up, and then you expect them to push down. That confirms your entry. And then you have here on Wednesday, guys, just above this area, because this area was normally this was a very strong stop hunt. This was a strong stop hunt. For a price action trader, this is a pin bar. It was a daily pin bar. But you look at the in the low time frame, you see a clear intention of the market maker to break this pin bar. Yeah. So on Wednesday, what will you do, guy? Yeah. One, you wake up at 8 here, 9 GMT plus 3, like me. You see strong signals. Because of course, they have already broken 1 point. Yeah, they have already broken 1.1150. Yeah, let me show you. They broke it here. They came down, they came up. What do you expect? Move down again. So we just sell, guys. You sell it here. Here, this is 8. At 9 here, this was a 10. After this candle is closed, you wait for a pullback. You can put your pending order just at about halfway of this candle. Yeah, you put your pending order here. Put your stop loss here, because this is also a breaking market structure in the low time frame. Where it fell up to where? 1.1100, because you don't expect them to push down and turn around before touching around now. That does not happen. They may twist it around now, confuse your eyes. They will always, almost invariably, go up to around now. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you learn from the video and wish you all the best in the new year. Trading is not easy. You'll make a lot of mistakes, but take them positively. Be positive. Be inspired. There's a lot of money in the markets for you if you trade smart, if you observe the round numbers. All the very best. Please watch the video, ask questions, challenge me. I'm still a very, very new trader. I'm making a lot of mistakes as well, but I want. So all the very best, guys. Unfortunately, my internet went out, but well, that's all. All the very best. Please keep on asking questions and learning. Don't give up, guys. No easy walk to freedom. God bless you.